Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of rules of divisibility. So in this video we will discuss the divisibility rules of 3 and 9. Why 3 and 9 together? Because the divisibility rule for them is quite similar. Okay, so let's first discuss about the divisibility rule of 3. So in this case, if we have to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, we have to check the sum of the digits. Okay, the rule is check the sum of the digits. Okay, if the sum is divisible by 3, that means after adding the numbers, if that resulting number comes in the table of 3, then that whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, let me just write it first. Check the sum of the digits. If it is comes in table of 3, then yes. Now let's discuss with an example. Suppose we have number 72, and what we have to do to add 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to what? 9. 9 comes in table of 3. Then what? That means yes, 72 is divisible by 3. Okay, if you take another example, say 65, what we have to do? Yes, we have to do 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. Do we get 11 in 3's table? No, 11 is not divisible by 3. That means 65 is not divisible by 3. What we have to do, just we have to take the sum of the numbers. We have to take the sum of the numbers and see whether that number comes in table of 3 or not. If yes, then that whole number is divisible by 3. If no, then that number is not divisible by 3. Okay, let us take another example. 42. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 comes in the table of 3. That means yes. Let us take a bigger number. Okay, 633. If we take 633, what would do? 6 plus 3 plus 3. How much, you tell me? Pause the video and tell me fast. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 comes in the table of 3. Yes or no? Yes, that means the 633 is divisible by 3. Okay. Let's take another example. 431. What to do? 4 plus 3 plus 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8? No, it doesn't come in the table of 3. So answer will be no. And 4, 5, 2, 7. After watching this video, you find out whether this 4527 is divisible by 3 or not. After watching this video, you just reply me, okay, in the WhatsApp group. That means if this number is divisible by 2, then you write there that 4527 is divisible by 3. Okay, sorry, 3. And if it is not divisible by 3, then you have to write 4527 is not divisible by 3. Okay, you just reply me like that in the WhatsApp group. Now let us discuss about divisibility of 9. In starting of the video only I have said that the rules of divisibility of 3 and 9 are quite similar. So in this case also we have to do the same thing. That means we have to check the sum of the digits. If the sum comes in table of 9, that means yes, that number will be divisible by 9. In the both cases we have to check the sum of the digits. Okay, 3 and 9, remember. Okay, so let us take an example. 63. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do 6 plus 3, and 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 comes in table of 9, that means yes. Okay, now 47. What we have to do? We just have to do 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 does not come in the table of 9. So answer will be a strict no. Okay. Then we'll take another example of a bigger number. Say 3232. Okay, 3232. Whether this number will be divisible by 9 or not. We just have to simply add the numbers. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. How much it is? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 10. Now after 10 we can simply say that 10 does not come in the table of 9. So answer is no. Another number, let's take big number only, 4725. Pause the video and try it yourself first. Okay, have you tried? Let's see. 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So 18 comes in table of 9. That means answer is yes. This number is divisible by 9. Okay. So in this case, in this way we check whether a bigger numbers are completely divisible by a given number or not. If a bigger number is given, okay, to check whether this number will be divided by another number, say 9, we use this method to check. We don't have to divide all the way. Okay, don't worry, these divisibility rules of all the numbers I will write in a piece of paper and I will give it to you in a fresh way. Okay, so that you'll have a clear understanding of all the rules, and you have to memorize these rules because these rules will be required by you throughout life. Okay, as long as you do mathematics you will be in need of these divisibility rules. Okay, so these divisibility rules are very important. Okay, you try to memorize them. Okay, thank you.